Islam Dolato is set to go down against Wellington Turman. And Wellington Turman is having a record of 18-8, extremely strong fighter, 6 foot tall, out of Brazil, 72 inches of reach. He lost to Jared Gooden, Randy Brown, Andre Petrovsky, defeated Misha Cirkunov, Sam Alvey, lost to Bruno Silva. On the other side, Islam Dolato defeated Adam Fugit, Manilto Antunes, and he just did pretty well. Destroyed at Octagon FC, John Logos, a former very big name. And I just think Dulatov is on a roll. No matter what happens, I don't see the way for Wellington Turman to win. Dulatov is just next level generation fighter, and he only suffered one loss to Gianni Paolkai. After that, he is just world class. He is just totally amazing fighter right now. He even has a victory in amateur circuit over Khurshed Kakwarov. So don't be surprised if this guy pulls it out and if he wins in a dominant fashion. So yes, I'm gonna say Dolato for the victory.